Welcome to the Star Blanket Crochet Along, and you will find it on the website haaksteek.nl. This is a re-release of a crochet along that was made in 2017. Options included in the written pattern for a twin size, or you can make a throw or blanket size, a baby blanket. For those who are ambitious, there's also a large or full size, or you can make your own design. This is my choice, I think, to make a throw. The designer used worsted weight, so I'm doing sort of a stash busting of various similar sized in the colors of a favorite hockey team. So just a reminder that what I'm showing you is just pictures of my round by round and giving you the occasional tip. The videos are available on a separate link, and you will find that in the description of this video, as well as the link for the written pattern. Please do choose to view those links and to view those videos for all the help you need. Insert the hook from back to the front through the chain or the slip stitch, and pull that tail through to the back. Then you can weave in your ends. Round 19, you want to be very careful where you are starting the round. I had a mistake and I needed to correct that in my later rounds. So you want to find these 3 tulips above a treble shell. You find that double crochet. You want to start in the single crochet that's just after that for our first double crochet. And then when you have 2 double crochet in one stitch, it should fall in this double crochet between the second and third tulip.